Welcome back to TyeTye Land XOX. Today I'm going to be reviewing Anastasia's Melt Proof Brow Kit. I've been wanting to try this for a while and I'm blessed to have it today from Kimberly J Homes. Thank you so much. I'm excited. You guys know I go really hard about my brows, so I've been wanting to try Anastasia and today is the day. So let's get started. With the Melt Proof Brow Kit, you can create perfectly defined brows every time with this go-to brow set. Use the Dip Brow Pomade Full Set Pigment Waterproof Formula to fill in and detail brows, and layer with Dip Brow Gel Highly Pigmented, Long-Lasting Waterproof Formula to create the look of natural dimension and volume. Brush 12's tapered angled shape and firm synthetic fibers make it ideal for applying both Dip Brow Pomade and Dip Brow Gel with precision. So let's get started on our brows with this super cute brow set. So the directions are a little different, but I'm gonna go in with the pomade and the angled brush first. Instead of what they recommend. This is what the angled brush looks like. It's a very high quality brush and it has a spoolie on the other side. So I'm gently dipping into the pot to get a little bit of product on my brush, and I am going to go ahead and define my brush underneath so I have a very crisp line. And this also helps create the shape that you want for your overall brow. And from applying this little bit of product, you can already tell that I am in love with this product already. It just goes on so smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and do hair light strokes, and I am just going to lightly push up, push down and up to give myself hair light strokes on the front of my brow. And then I'm following up with brush strokes throughout my brow to make it more of a natural look and to blend it. Any gaps I see, I'm just going in and filling all of those in as I see fit. Now I'm defining the top part of my arch, and I am really feeling this product. It's hard to impress me, and I am impressed, you guys. Now for a couple finishing touches to finish this off. After the pomade, I'm going to fluff them out a little bit to kind of blend everything together and give it more of a natural look. Now I'm going to go in with the brow gel, and the important part about the brow gel is it sets the brows and helps it last for 12 hours. So I'm just putting a thin layer of this across my brow hairs. And just like that, bloop, I'm done. So now I'm going to go in with the concealer and cut out my brows just to give it a nice crisp look underneath. And I'm using a very small concealer brush and my L'Oreal concealer. And I don't even need that much because the precision was so good with the Anastasia brow kit that I only need just a little bit for my brows. And just like that, we are all done, and we're going to do the other brow. On this brow, I wanted to show you what you do if you have too much product on your brush. You'll just put it on your hand and just wipe some of the excess off until you have the right amount on your brush, and then you are good to go to start carving out these brows, honey. So now I will let you watch me create the same brow on the other side. Let's take a look. And as you can see, I used a very little bit of this product, so this will be lasting me for a while. So now I'm just cleaning up quickly underneath my brows on the other side and going in with the brow gel as well to set them off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the completed look. What do you think? So, what do I think about this product? Oh my goodness, I am in love with this. I love it so much better than what I have been doing previously with my brows. It was so easy, so precise, and I love the natural hair-like strokes that I can do with this. It's a little bit easier than the pencil. A little bit of this goes a long way. I give this a 10 out of 10, 100%. Love, 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 love this product. I am so excited about this. So go out and get it. They sell it at Ulta. The price of this again is right here. Thank you to Kimberly J Homes for sponsoring this video. Thank you to Neil Daniels for doing my hair. As always, it looks fabulous. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.